Assalamualaikum. I will be representing our group project for Ditp 1123. Our group member is Kamarul Asmil bin Ahmad Azri, Muhammad Hazim bin Amran, Badrul Muhammad Akashah bin Badrul Hisham, Muhammad Haikal bin Seman. Our project introduction. This project is an attempt to select and create a movie program. A movie selector program is a program used to add and select a movie they want in certain cinema. The program system is able to add, edit, update, delete, search, and print or display data. In other words, it can record, edit, or update the movie, delete the movie if they are not interested in them. Search for any kind of product movie that has been added into the record and finally display all the information about the movie that have.
So this is our header. We are using a class template because the class template can handle different data type of parameter. So next. Yeah, this is a void main. We use a string that have a 5 class, which is we have add movie, delete movie, sort movie, search movie, and easy. So if a user put the number 1, they will go to the add movie. Such example. This is our example. The output will show the menu and add movie, delete movie, sort movie, search movie, and easy. It also will ask we to choose what you want to do. And if a user put number 1, they will go to the add movie.
For function add, before we do adding function, we must construct a constructor first. We must make the head equal to 0 and count equal to 0. So for this program, we will keep track the new movie into the linked list. First, we set up a new node, then we will insert the data. After user have finished put the data, pnew will point to the head and store the data. Such as example, first, user must put the movie ID 227. The movie title is Jumanji, the director Jake Kasdan, year 2017. The genre is that is comedy, and the total sale is 962100000. So the movie list will display.
For delete function, first we create a pointer discard and before equal to head. Then user need to insert target, which is movie ID. If the list is empty, the output will be nothing to delete. If the list have data, it will keep repeat until the target is found. This program have two types of delete in front and delete in the middle. For the delete in front, we use location equal to 0. The head point to the discard, point next. It let head equal to discard, point to the next. After that, the head is not point to the first node anymore. So you can discard the data. If delete in the middle, the program will start search the movie ID from 0. If it not found, the output will be nothing in the list. As you can see, first before this we have three lists of movie. Now we only have 2 movie on the list.
So this is a function void sort. So first we have to declare about the variable, which is next num, current, and temp. Temp, this is meaning temporary. So if user want to sort the movie but he did not know that nothing in the list, so it user equals 0 to the output. Will show empty and nothing to solve this. Will make the user return to the main menu. The sorting algorithm will be start here. Integer I equal to count. Count here is how many number movie the user add. So when the sorting is done, he will call out function in display. Example. So this is our example. First, if a user did not add or delete the movie. So the output will will come out with nothing list here. So if they have add the movie, so they go to the sub movie will list the movie that have.
This is the function void search. Void search is a function that searches whether a certain movie is in the list or not. The function searches for the ID of the movie. If there are no movie in the list, the output will be nothing to search. If the user enter a movie ID that is in the list, the output will be the movie is in the list and the position of the movie in the list. If the user enters a movie ID that is not in the list, the output will be the movie is not in the list. This is an example of the void search. When the user enters the number 4, it will search for the movie, and then the user will enter the movie ID. For example, the user entered the movie ID 198, and the output is the movie is in the list, and the current position of the movie is 1. Next is the function void display. This function is basically an output for the movie ID, movie title, director, year, genre, and total sales. The movie ID is linked, P current is linked to the movie ID. For movie title, P current is linked to title. Director, P current linked to director. Year, P current linked to year. Genre, P current linked to genre. And finally, the total sales is P current linked to sales. This is an example of the void display output. As you can see, it shows the movie ID, movie title, director, year, genre, and the total sales of the movie.
So this is function void menu. As you can see, this function same as function main. It will output the menu first, which is add movie, delete movie, sort movie, search movie, and exit. We use switch case. We have 5 case here, which is the add movie, delete movie, sort movie, and search movie, and exit. If user enter different than these 5, the output will be error.
For the conclusion, our group think the cinema can use this program to manage all the ticket booking, making it easier the workers when they use our movie selector program. That's all from our group. Thank you.